Guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2018 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. This thing is actually really nice and great condition. 44,000 miles. Original window sticker. Awesome. Yeah, this one has the 3.2 V6. Total price when new of $31,620. Bright white over black. 9-speed automatic. Let's go for a drive. So the Cherokee in the Jeep lineup slots above the Renegade, in between the Grand Cherokee and the Renegade, I would say. I don't think they still make the they do still make the Compass, now that I think about it. So you have the Renegade, the Compass, and then the Cherokee. What does this compete with? I would say like your Tucson, your Equinox, kind of the mid-size SUV segment. Do have a nice little cubby hole. Store anything you want. Latitude, I would say, is 25% up on trim level. It's not your base, but it's also not the high end either. This is a solid middle of the road. Do have a manual mode. The 3.2 really does have a very throaty sound to it. I was actually really surprised just how decent it sounded. Good amount of sound from it. can tell, it's not the fastest thing in the world. It's not the slowest. It's perfect for this segment. It's actually probably one of the more powerful motors from this segment, because a lot of them are 4 cylinders, like the Equinox. Nice and comfortable to cruise on the highway. Brakes are good. That's actually pretty impressive. In your select terrain, you have 4 different modes. Well, 3 dedicated modes and an auto. So you have snow. It's gonna tune everything for snowy driving. You have sport. It's gonna turn your traction control off, change transmission tuning. And then you have sand and mud. We'll go straight back to auto. Auto start stop. Of course, you want to shut it off. It's easy to do. It's right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.